people in my life found me annoying. But that was before I discovered owning cats. With owning cats, you get to literally be the reason why this creature is alive and still have them resent you. Plus, with owning cats, you're finally able to have a combination sandbox and toilet in your house. And with owning cats, you don't need to worry about taking care of your houseplants anymore, because your cats will eat them and then conveniently vomit them onto your carpet. Try cats today, because it's hard to feel lonely when someone's watching you.
Oh, let's fucking go!
That just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason, and she wasn't trying.
Okay. You want to stop here or keep going? You want to keep going, don't you? Let's go somewhere else. Let's go more on an adventure tonight.
Meow.
Hi, TJ.
I got my eggs back.
Shabby whoopee.
So we have what I call supervised outdoor activities.
Oh, just look at that, the happy dog, oh, just a happy.
Oh.
Come here, bud. Come on.
Lay on my bed with your legs open like you pay bills around here, sir. You don't pay no bills. When you start paying bills, then you can take a nap in the middle of the day.
Don't fall off the table, buddy. Don't.
Пожалуйста, может кто-то вызвать экзорциста? Я уже не выдерживаю просто эту
off.
Yep.
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah.
So bad.
Gripping me.
It's so bad.
No, no, no. Dude, it's not